video to talk about our November workshop on meditation and service. So Piero, I know we're both looking forward to our workshop on meditation and service. And it's a topic that is close to both of our hearts. So I'd like to ask you, what is meditation and service to you?
Well, they go very much together, because meditation, I see it in the wide sense of the word, is our inner life and the cultivation of our inner life. It's not just sitting cross-legged with eyes closed, but it's reflection and reading and contemplating nature or beauty, playing chess, whatever is your inner life that nourishes you. That I would already call meditation.
Right. And service?
And service is we fill ourselves with meditation, and then we have to express it, because if we keep it for ourselves, it just doesn't work. You know, it's a rhythm, in my opinion. It's a natural rhythm. It doesn't belong to psychosynthesis. It happens with everybody. And we express in the way that we can express it.
Yes, I'm reminded of this phrase, the soul breathes in and the soul breathes out. And you chose to put these two topics together, and I'm wondering why you did that, meditation and service.
Because I think we are all, both experienced and inexperienced people, we're all often running into trouble because we either serve too much, in the sense of expending ourselves too much, and then there's burnout. We feel that we don't have anything more to give. Or instead, this is rare, but I think it happens a lot, we meditate on our own too much, and then it becomes some kind of a protection, and we withdraw from others. Meditation can be a great way of escape, and but sometimes it's good because we nourish ourselves, but then it's it becomes, we're not fertile anymore.
Right. So it's a bit like everything in life, that we can use it in a positive and healthy way, but we can also use it in a distorted way. Both meditation and service, wouldn't you say?
I would definitely say so, and I think we can see pathology in both branches.
Right. Well, thank you. I think that gives us a pretty good sense of why or for what purpose we're doing what we're doing.
Thank you, Diana. It's always great to work with you, as we've been doing in the past, I don't know how many years.
Don't say it. Embarrassingly long time.